Hello guys, it's Mr. Wahidul Haque here, back with another video. Today I'm in the Audi A3. We are going to be doing LED install. Not footwell, under seat install. So we got 4 strips, the music activated as well, or you can have it on a static color. The car's off at the moment, so I'll turn it on in a second. Yeah, so you can control it with music if you like, but I'm not going to do that. It's just going to be a static color. It's USB powered. You can get the trigger one as well. That takes up the whole 12 volt socket. That's pointless. But my Golf has that, so I'll just use it. I put in new USBs anyway. So yeah, so I got 4 of them. So one will go under every seat, and they got 3M tape at the bottom. So we're gonna do some good cleaning up and put it underneath, and I'll show you what it looks like and how to do it. Well, to be honest, all you have to do is hide this somewhere, which is probably under here. Probably hide it under there. And then the wiring all under the seats, and then just put this in. Just literally stick it together like that. Untangle all this first and then stick it together. And then I'll show you the end result. Alright guys, we've installed it now. As you can see, we've got one here, one in the footwell, one in the driver side footwell. Very nice. Okay, so we've got different colors, different modes.
The brightness up or down, I think. So we got green,
blue,
white,
the white's quite nice
orange,
actually. Yeah,
yellow. You can't really see the yellow. You can see a bit more here.
yeah, the yellow looks it there.
Cyan, basically blue. Purple is the most vibrant one that pops out, I think. And then you got a jump, which jumps through all the colours.
It's just like a light show, innit?
This one's, I think, a different colour, or faster. It looks like it's got different colours in it.
Yeah.
This one's fade, so it slowly fades in and out from each colour. This fade 2, which fades a bit more faster.
Yeah.
And then you have the song modes, which has a mic in the receiver.
Yeah.
So
go with the music.
It's working with the music, but it's going at a slow pace.
Yeah.
So for the music higher.
If you put the volume louder, it bounces with the music.
Okay, we'll start again. This is number 1.
This is music mode, yeah.
Let the music, I think so.
Also guys, we've hid the wires as well. They're just literally hidden under there. The back ones.
The first one.
Look at this.
The faster one.
That's sickening. It's going out of control now, fucking hell.
You're doing a good job, man.
Yeah, so that goes off the audio then. That's really good. And the front wiring.
Look at this, dancing with the beat.
Yes. We hid the front wiring under the thingy there, so you can't really see it. That's the dashcam wiring. It's under there, the wiring we did. Try to show it. What the fuck you do? The wire is under there. Very hard to see. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and good night.